Hi! Hi, we live broadcasting from Dubai. My name is Rivatar. I am Master of Alignment. And today I want to share with you something very good, very useful. And in case if you want to let go your past, if you want to heal your flow, especially financial flow, your energy flow, invite to your life beautiful relationship, and just be in the flow, just enjoy yourself. Yeah, so we have man and woman energy within us, and best what we can, how we can be, it's when we in the peace within us. So a few days ago I got I was channeling, I was doing meditation, and I got a new hello. I got new meditation, and I started to do it already for a few days, and today I decided to share that with you because I noticed so good result, and I just like to share good things with you. Yeah, and I know this is extremely useful, very useful, very goody. So the basically meditation is like this. I like to do meditation so much on the shower, because I'm working with three resources. Usually it's a cosmic flow, it's from center of the earth, and the source that within me. So when I do these three flow together, I can connect, I can basically I can channel, I can get as much energy as I need. I do manifestation in that flow. So I'm using that. Okay, so Chiro, thank you so much for explanation, but not now. Yeah, now I'm in the flow. I'm explaining what I do. So basically what I do, I'm sitting in the lotus and the shower, and that's my cosmic flow, cosmic energy coming. Then I feel that from my spine, from my legs, from my like a continue on me, go to the center of the earth and synchronize with the sun, central sun inside the earth. And inside the earth is the most abundance energy. So I'm synchronized with that energy. I'm taking the cosmic energy inside me, and inside me I open up all the chakras, so I became connected, I became a channel. Yeah, that's how I'm channeling the higher self and manifest things and energize myself and heal myself. So basically I was not sick for many years. Only last month I had things in my ears, but already so many years I was not sick. I'm working like this with energy, and basically so I do that. Plus few days ago I got one more thing, and this thing, it's like extra key for me. Somehow the meditation and vision, it start to be much more effective. As you follow me, or maybe you already know me, maybe you first time see me, so I'm teaching how to achieve unconditional forgiveness. and each my teaching based on the gratitude and forgiveness. So this is like a first step before we start to really create our life or increasing our financial flow or start to be in abundance. So first of all, we have to forgive. So regarding forgiveness, I have the whole course, and I really know how to forgive ourselves, how to forgive our past, how to forgive our parents, our kids, our money, our situation. But few days ago I got new key, and this key make extra speed, extra how to say, I felt that all the souls that with who I start to do this meditation, they was waiting for that. It's like I became like extremely effective on this meditation. So this is extra key, this symbol. I saw in my meditation that I'm sitting in this center, and I'm channeling from cosmic and from underground. I'm channeling the energy. So I'm the center. And then I invite, so I say this is meditation healinghood, womanhood and manhood. So I start to do this meditation to the man, yeah, because I am woman. So if you man, you invite in this meditation woman and you see what's happening in your life. So basically, I'm sitting here, and opposite, I invite man with who I want to say just two things, and then I repeat them. And this is things: I'm grateful to you, I bless you. I bless you, I'm grateful to you. I bless you, I'm grateful to you. I bless you, I'm grateful to you. When I feel that tension between us really melt, disappear, wash away, I feel that this man is going, for example, here, yeah? And then I see the next one is coming. So it can be members of the family, your colleague, your friends, your past lover, your present lover, whoever. But I was working with one genders, yeah? So very interesting things happen that the men start to appear from very long time ago. And I felt that there's still some tension between us. So this meditation, until we see, able to see eyes to eyes without any like, this man didn't move further. So basically, sitting opposite, looking to each other, and I was saying to them these words, and I saw how that souls became so happy, like she blessed me, she grateful to me. I did that with my family members, even to my son, and I saw in meditation like my son was like, because we don't have in our life, we don't have any tension with him, like very good relationship. But in this meditation, I saw like something melted between us, and it was like so soft energy. It's very beautiful, very pleasant feeling. So then that one who already we like work out and make a peace, they start to moving. And when they start to move, I feel like on the earth these symbols start working. It's like from us coming something very pleasant to the earth. It's like healing the earth. And the faces appear I saw that, oh my God, it's so many of them. I mean, some was like from my school, teachers, like men who was not so much meaningful in my life, but all that souls, they was waiting for that softness, because when we work out between, it's not only for me, it's also for that soul with who we working. So this is key, just happened to me a few days ago. It was via meditation, just open, and I feel that it's so effective. Try and tell me what is your result. Also, of course, if you want to do that, you can try to different gender, man, woman, because actually forgiveness, what is given to us, inside us, if you have any tension, we're not so much flexible in the flow of abundance. Yeah, when we are so flexible, when we are so happy, because forgiveness give freedom from low vibration, from the energy blocks, from the tension. When we in tension, we cannot be in the flow. It's like a river, and in the river some stones, yeah, the water cannot go in the very good flow. So forgiveness give cleaning our flow, our water, so the energy can go very soft and gender. And when we soft and gender, then we receive so good, and art of receiving, it's the blessing, because the life given to us all the time, all goods, whatever we ask, it's given instantly. Only we can receive it when we on that stage, yeah, when we synchronize ourselves with the goods. And forgiveness, it's like elevator. It's elevating us to the higher level, where all the goods already waiting for us, all the solutions, all the best possibilities, all the ideas, all goods, love and care. So what's happened to me a few days ago, I found out that some story from my past was still holding, and I asked my channel, what shall I do to let it go, because it was so long ago, and I really want a freedom from that. And my higher self told me, like, start to do forgiveness to the man, working with the man. And I say, okay, I start to do it. And during that meditation, I saw this symbol that I'm sitting on it, and I saw a line, queue of men, friends, not friends, whatever. It looks like all the men that I met in my life. I mean, met in general way, yeah. What are the characters? What was coming in my life? So it was really a lot, and I started to do it within few days. My mood's much better. My solutions, everything start to be increasing much faster. So I love to share goods with you, and today I did that. Please try and tell me how is it. And of course, you know, as I say today a few times, and I will repeat it again, every time when we worry, or when we don't have, when we doubt, or when we are afraid, we kind of do this exercise for muscle. We are manifesting something not nice in our life. And when we are living in abundance, it's the same muscle, but the different side exercise. And it's like two doors in front of us. One door of blessing, another door of luck, bad luck, you can say. So effort to go each door equal. It's up to us which door we take. Outcome of this life would be totally different. So if we live in forgiveness, if we live in gratitude, if we live in acknowledgement, if we live in happiness, if we enjoy our life, we on this door of blessing and abundance. And when we shifting from one door to another door, we just need few days effort. Like, no, I start to think this way, I start to be gratitude, I start to be on forgiveness, I start to be on joy. Just few days effort, because it was a habit to think one way, yeah. And when you start to think another way, you just need effort, few days to like, okay, now I'm doing exercise for another muscle. It's very easy actually to change our life. Luckily that our previous experience is not the basement for our new experience, because our reality is not linear. We can choose really anything we want to. We can ask ourselves, what the life I would like to live from now on. We have to imagine that life, we have to feel it, and we have to practice our muscle to feel. If I feel this life, if I already live this life, if it already happened, what would I do? How I would behave, how I would dress, what I would eat, with who I will be friends, how I will spend my time, what I will do. That's the question we have to ask, because our feeling is the number one compass of our life. Yeah. I wish you all the best. If you do this for longer than 1 month, I sure your life gonna change so dramatically. Please let me know who of you make this challenge for yourself and say, I can do this for 1 month, I will do this meditation for 1 month. Please let me know. In 1 month, you let me know what's happened, how your life changed, how your money changed, how your health changed, how your new relationship come to your life or present relationship improve. This is forgiveness with healing, manhood and womanhood. This is powerful stuff, because this is make our energy inside unit. When we in unit, we are blessed, because we can hear our guidance, our heart, we can follow our heart. And when we follow our heart, you know, the best doors open for us, best solution open for us. So if you have any question, please put in the comments, share with your friends this video. And I'm in Dubai at the moment, and if you're also in Dubai, and if you feel to make a quantum leap in your life, have alignment, improve your business, improve your finance, boost your ability, become very effective and productive, we can set up session for quantum leap, and in 1 day you're already not gonna recognize your life. The change is gonna be so profound. Okay, I love you all the best in Rivatar.